Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Microsoft's rumored Project Solara represents one of the most disruptive shifts in modern computing, signaling a future where traditional mobile apps may no longer be the center of how we use our devices. Instead of opening separate apps for messaging, banking, shopping, navigation, or productivity, users would interact with intelligent AI agents that understand intent and complete tasks across services automatically. In simple terms, Project Solara is being described as an AI-first operating system, designed to replace the app-driven structure that has defined smartphones for more than a decade. Today, users must manually switch between apps like Gmail, Uber, Amazon, Google Maps, and Microsoft Teams to complete daily tasks. Solara's vision is radically different. You tell your device what you want, and the AI handles everything in the background. For example, instead of opening a ride-hailing app, typing a destination, comparing prices, and confirming a ride, a user could simply say, "Get me to the airport at the cheapest available price, leaving in 20 minutes," and the AI agent would automatically choose the service, book the ride, and notify the user. This type of cross-app automation is what makes Project Solara potentially revolutionary. At the core of this system are AI agents, advanced software entities capable of reasoning, planning, and executing multi-step tasks. Unlike traditional voice assistants that respond to simple commands, these agents are designed to operate more like digital workers. They can interact with apps, websites, cloud services, and enterprise tools without requiring constant human input. Microsoft's strategy aligns with its broader push into artificial intelligence, especially through its partnership with OpenAI technologies and deep integration of AI into Windows and cloud services. Project Solara is expected to build on this foundation, creating a unified AI layer across devices that could eventually extend beyond phones into laptops, tablets, and enterprise systems. One of the biggest implications of this shift is the potential decline of traditional app ecosystems. For years, companies like Apple and Google have built massive economies around app stores. However, if AI agents can perform tasks directly without opening apps, the need for downloading and maintaining hundreds of separate applications could significantly decrease. This raises major questions about the future of mobile development, digital advertising, and platform control. For Android users specifically, Project Solara could represent a major turning point. Google's Android ecosystem is deeply app-centric, but AI-driven computing could reduce the importance of individual apps in favor of system-level intelligence. Similarly, Apple's tightly controlled iOS ecosystem may also need to evolve if users begin expecting AI-driven automation instead of manual app interaction. Beyond convenience, Solara also introduces serious discussions around privacy, security, and control. If AI agents are allowed to operate across multiple services, they would require deep access to personal data, including messages, location, payment systems, and browsing behavior. This raises important concerns about how data is stored, processed, and protected in an AI-first world. Another key advantage often highlighted is productivity. In theory, AI agents could save users hours each day by eliminating repetitive tasks, such as scheduling meetings, managing emails, comparing prices, or filling out forms. Businesses could also benefit from automated workflows that reduce human workload and increase efficiency. However, experts also warn that such a system could create new dependencies on AI decision-making. If an AI agent makes the wrong choice, such as booking the wrong service or misinterpreting a command, it could impact real-world outcomes. This makes transparency and user control critical in the design of systems like Project Solara. Overall, Microsoft Project Solara symbolizes a potential shift from app-based computing to intent-based computing, where the focus is no longer on which app to open, but what outcome the user wants to achieve. If successful, it could redefine smartphones, reshape the tech industry, and usher in a new era where AI becomes the primary interface between humans and digital systems. Whether this future arrives quickly or gradually, one thing is clear: the way we interact with technology is changing. And Project Solara may be one of the biggest signals yet that the age of traditional apps is beginning to evolve into something far more intelligent, automated, and AI-driven. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.